and so this is basically Deputy's webhook page where it shows how you can create a webhook. So yes, let's try doing that first. So what I want to do is I want to actually add new employees into my business, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy my installation name. I'm going to put my install, my region is AU and deputy.com. So this is my page for webhooks. What I'm going to do is select the topic. What I want to do is, first thing is employee insert. Filters is not optional, so I'm not going to worry about that at the moment. Say address is Richards. Actually, this is a very complicated thing because this is not the address, it's actually the URL that you want to send. So what I'm going to do is, this URL is basically nothing but the request bin URL. So I am pretty much just going to copy the request bin URL. I'm going to paste it here. All good. Enabled is on, and now I'm going to save this particular webhook. Now what happens is, since this webhook is set up, I'm going to go back to the list. I can see that I have a new webhook called employee.insert, and I'm going to go back to my business and then try to add an employee and then see how the webhook gets fired. So now if I go back, I'm here back in my business. What I want to do is, now I want to add people, so I'm going to go to people. I'm going to add a person, add single person. First name is Saint Mike, last name is Robbins, his email address is mike@snowflakeanalytics.com. We don't care about his mobile number, but we'll try and give as much as more information as possible so that we can see what kind of objects get fired from the webhook. So say for example he has normal 38 hours per week. Does he require training? Maybe yes, manager training. Don't care about the profile photo at the moment. Contacts are fine. Maybe pay rate, salary, annual salary, you say about 100K, etc., etc. Right? Gender, male, save details and invite. Okay, maybe say admin, save details and invite. So now an email will go to Mike, and he should be able to become a part of this. So you can see now he's invited into deputy, right? Having said this, if I go back to request bin and if I refresh this, what I should be able to see now is all his details here. So if you see, his company first name is Mike, his last name is Robbins. That is the company name that I set up. And there should be somewhere his email address as well, because that's what we care about. Yeah, so his email is mike@snowflakeanalytics.com. So yeah, looks like it was just created right now. So this is basically the JSON object which is being triggered now from the webhook of one of our data sources.